Good morning, first hour math students. Here we go. Today, go ahead, go to math. Week 2. We are on Wednesday, April 15th. Missing angles. So today we're going to try to figure out some missing angles. Open up your attachment. Put it into Notability. So here's a little review to start us off. So just again looking at the words complementary and supplementary and making sure we understand what those mean. And again, complementary is at 90 degrees, supplementary is at 180 degrees. Today in our notes, we're focused on how do I find the measurement of a missing angle. So there's one more angle term that we need to be familiar with, and that is called vertical angles. And so vertical angles, the definition is the opposite angles from the lines that are intersecting. So in this image, the angles that I see that are opposite is 25 degrees, and then opposite, which means right across, is this one. And so because they're opposite from each other, this one is going to be the same. So again, in our notes, I put there that this angle equals 25 degrees. Now the one that we have to figure out is this last one, which is angle K. And we're going to figure it out down here. So to find angle K, I know the first thing, and I'm going to make this a little bigger, is that if you see here, this is a straight angle. And straight, we also know, is supplementary, and that is 180 degrees. Okay, so now we can go ahead and, similar to before, balance this equation. So I know if I have 25 degrees, which was this angle right here, that's 25 degrees, plus K, I'm going to end up with 180 degrees. So now I'm going to go ahead, draw my line down the equals, and 25 here is positive, so I'm going to take it away. Those cancel out. So I still on this side have K. And this side, ten minus 5. So on this side then, K I found out is 155 degrees. So right here, we said K equals 155 degrees. The last place I'm going to put it in my notes is actually up in the picture. I always like to do that in case there's more that we need to find out. And that helps me remember that this space, just this space that K is in, that's 155 degrees. So if I went back to check, I would have 155 plus 25, and together that gives me the 180 degrees. That's my full line. So now that we use some of our previous information to find that missing angle, your homework or your assignment today on your own is to try to figure out some of these missing angles. So first, for Wednesday practice, you're going to tell me what are some of the complementary angles. So think, what does complementary mean? Tell me what some of those angles are. And by angles, I just mean tell me the angle number. So if I was talking about this angle right here, I would then say angle 1. You're also going to name a pair of supplementary angles. So what angles go together to make a supplementary angle? So then for this bottom part, you don't use the image at all. What you're going to do for the bottom part is they give you some information and they say angle 3 and angle 4 are supplementary. So you may want to put next to that how many degrees is supplementary to remind yourself. And angle 4, they tell you, is 117 degrees. So what you need to find is the distance for angle 3. So use that information to find distance for angle 3. Down here, you're working with complementary. Again, remind yourself how much that is. And you're trying to find the distance for angle 8. Once you are done with this page, make sure to screenshot it and submit to Schoology. So up here in the directions too, screenshot and submit to Schoology. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.